Hey guys, so today I'm unboxing my generator. I'm upgrading the mobile notary setup in my car, right? Because I got tired of using the printer and the inverter. Now, there's nothing wrong with you doing it that way. It's absolutely fine. It's worked for me for a couple of years now. But I want to condense the space usage in the back of the car. So let's open this bad boy up and see what we got. My animals are here to, I guess, watch, because they're definitely not helping. I should have just brought my razor in here. These little dollar store scissors are not that sharp. Watch out, Leo. All right, it's a box inside of a freaking box. Keep this box. Returns cannot be accepted without this box. Yeah. Honestly, this should not be this difficult. And it is pretty heavy. Pretty darn heavy. Oh, come on. It's gotta be so difficult to open. Just gonna get this box out. Okay. My BLUETTI. That's what it looks, right side up. That's how it looks. This is the model I got. Now let's open up the second freaking box. I'll make sure to break this box down and keep it in my garage, just in case. I like to give things a good 90-day try before I just throw the box away. Because like you said, they're not going to accept no returns inside this box. So, and it tells you, keep this box. So if you don't, that's on you. All right, so I got this bag here. Let's see what's in there. Okay, got some cords. I'm sure for charging and whatnot. Oh boy, this is some screws are in there. All right. Instructions. Definitely gonna need those. I was telling my mom, like, well, this thing on thing is this big. I don't know if this is gonna be better than what I got in the car. Oh my Lord, y'all. Oh my Lord. This is not small. Oh God. Oh, and it's heavy. Ah, crap. All right, let's see. What the heck? Oh my God. Now, I will say, it's not as heavy as the battery and inverter together, but this is not light. I am comfortable with lifting it. Gosh, I wonder how heavy it is. I feel like it's at least 50 pounds. But look at this. All these different inputs here. This is for those cords that you saw me with the bag. This looks like this would be for a refrigerator, right? A refrigerator, or it tells you what it's for on there. I can't read upside down, but I'm just showing you guys all of this. So the plugs are covered. That's good. That, I guess this turns it on. Okay, here's your LED screen. Shows you the power. It needs to be charged. Clearly it's been sitting on my floor for what, 3 days? Because I just was intimidated by how big it was. I'm like, damn, I'm gonna open this big thing. So yeah, and my animals, they're saying hi. Say hi, Leo. If you don't have cats, you should know they love cardboard. So yeah. Gel pack. I'm gonna keep the gel pack. I'm gonna have to probably keep this foam and everything. All right, well, let's go ahead and charge this. So I have it ready. And this is gonna conclude the video. I just wanted to do the whole unboxing. I will show you guys how I decide to set it up in my car. Bye. Good morning. So, I'm going to be doing a video so that you guys can see the new setup. All right, here it is. So, if this is your first time watching the video, I'm going to go ahead and go through some of the things I have here. So I got the BLUETTI generator I just showed to you. We got the printer, okay? My printer cord, I got it sitting in the cup holder there securely. This is my tray. I'm actually gonna get a new tray, and I share it in the description below, the one I'm gonna get. I found another one that's like this, but it folds, so that way it'll fit more compact. But this one does not fold, so that one's just there. In this storage bag here, I was asked what is in it. So, let's see. Shipping supplies, paper, letter, and legal. All right. FedEx and UPS stuff is in here. My charge cords for my generator. My toner. I do have a sunblock in here that I don't really use. As you can see, my windows are, well, you probably can't tell, my windows are tinted. And because I have, this is a third row, I have vents here that are blowing air back here. So my equipment, it doesn't overheat. I have brochures in here, some little snacks, binder clips, shoe covers. Out here I have charger cords, printer cords to hook up to my laptop. Lint roller. I think I have more lint rollers in here as well. And that's it. Everything is being held down in this new setup by Velcro. So if you can see here, Velcro strip is attached. That's not coming off. It's not sliding or anything like that. This one, I also put Velcro on the bottom, and I use a strap to hook up to the back of the seat. This seat has a latch. So if I had kids who needed to be in a car seat, I could strap the car seat little strap thing back here, and then it'll be secure along with the seat belt. I don't know if this one has that back. Oh yeah, it does. You see that? That is, I think that's it. That is also behind here. So if I come to a complete stop, you see that I'm pulling on this, it's not going to shift forward and it's not going to push back. Everything is secure that way. This bag already came with the Velcro at the bottom. You can see right there. So that doesn't shift around either. So everything in here is pretty secure. This is actually sitting in a groove here. So this can't move around either. So everything is, oh, let me put my bag back in here. Everything is pretty secure. As you can see, the Velcro is really, really strong here. So, because I don't know if you guys know, but driving in Florida sucks and people can't drive here. So having your things secure is important so that things are not sliding around when you are coming to complete stops abruptly and things like that. So that's it. I'm gonna make sure I share all the links to the equipment I have in the description of the video. And if you have any questions, just drop them and I'll answer them the best I can. Bye guys.